Thank you, Brian, and all our panelists for that very insightful discussion. So you can download the Trade 2.0 Singapore Maritime Startup and Innovation Ecosystem Report and find out more. So we will be sharing more about SmartPort Challenge and how you can get involved. And SmartPort Challenge 2021 is brought to you by Pure 71 and TNB Ventures. It is also supported by Startup SG and initiated by Enterprise Singapore, the Economic Development Board, and the Singapore Shipping Association. 21 maritime organizations and partners have put up 17 innovation opportunities this year, covering areas in smart port, smart ship, crew safety, training and well-being, smart maritime services and logistics, as well as green technologies. So this year we have a few joint areas put up by several maritime corporates, and we also have new areas tackling ship supplies, insurance, and more. So beyond this 17, if we have promising solutions, as well as technologies in any of the other broad categories, do submit them under the open category too. And I believe we have one question from Baru asking whether or not a startup can apply to multiple challenge statements. The answer is yes, but you would have to customize your proposal for that particular innovation opportunity. So let's say you are tackling two, so we would expect two different applications with very customized solution to that problem statement. So Jessica, who should join SmartPort Challenge?
Yep, so if you can reimagine your technologies for applications in the maritime industry, or you're keen to explore new business opportunities in this very vibrant and growing market, SmartPort Challenge is the place for you. And that actually also brings me to a question we had earlier on from Raja Mohan asking, is SmartPort Challenge only for companies or can it be for individuals as well? So that's a great question. So we look at a range of criteria, such as the tech potential and also the team competency as a whole. So while you may not be incorporated as a company just yet, not to worry at all, it'd be best if you can come get as a team to submit your proposal, because it's not just about the tech, but it's also about the capability to deliver and execute and build the business as well. So I hope that answers your question. And so moving on then, so selected startups or teams will be invited to participate in a 6-week intense Accelerate program to network with maritime corporates, validate your product, receive mentoring from industry veterans and business experts, and gain access to resources made available by our program partners. This includes access to our VC partners' networks and expertise, access to lending resources, and co-working space of Pure 71, and access to the talent pool from universities. So for those who are keen to sign up, what's next, Ming?
Well, find out more about the 70 innovation opportunities from Pure 71's website. You'll have to submit your entries by the 10th of August. All the information can be found on our website at www.pure71.sg. And upon successful submission of your application, it will be evaluated by an expert panel as well as the participating corporate sponsors. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited to an interview, and we will unveil the SmartPort Challenge 2021 cohort in September.
And top finalists will be competing for cash prizes amounting to $18,000 at the grand finals in November. All finalists who compete for the program may also apply for the MPA grant. And this also again builds on to an earlier question we had in the panel about how we can help startups gain more credibility. So to build on the answer the panel gave, this grant is helpful for that. So while the Accelerate program helps you validate your ideas, the grant helps you take it further to do a proof of concept or to trial your solution with a maritime corporate. And of course, beyond the grant funding, we also continue to support our alumni in various ways, as SMS Chi shared earlier in his speech. This includes access to markets, funding, tech, talent, infrastructure, and data.
Well, make sure that you follow us on LinkedIn for the latest updates and mark your calendars as we deep dive into the innovation opportunities with the corporate partners. Well, thank you very much for joining us this afternoon, and we look forward to receiving your applications. Stay safe and healthy.
Thanks, everyone. Until we see you again, sending love from Pure 71.
Bye.
Bye.